Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max cellular data not working issue. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open lock screen here, and then after this the next solution is turn on and airplane mode and turn off again. So turn on and turn on off again. So after this the next solution is update to the latest iOS. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update if the new update is available on your iPhone. So update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So update is available on my iPhone. So go back now. So after updating your iPhone, so set up date and time correctly. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on date and time. So check for date and time. So after correcting your date and time, select automatically here. So after this the next solution is reset network settings on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter passcode. So tap on the network settings reset. So after resetting your network settings, hopefully it will work. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.